Hey everybody, welcome to the world of the Wizard of Tech. Today we're going over the 15 extreme industrial and construction machines ever made. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing inventions and high-tech machines I've ever seen. We know that the world will be a completely different place without the gigantic industrial and construction machines used to build bridges, dams, airports, and any other architectural edifice you can think of. Starting from number 15, we review the biggest and most powerful industrial and construction machines you probably have never heard of. So, here we go. Number 15, LIEBHERR Crawler Crane. Cranes come in different shapes and sizes, and they're used to lift or hoist extremely heavy objects. But of all the large cranes in the world, they all pale in comparison to the LIEBHERR LR13000. This crane is so big and strong that it can lift up to 3,000 tons of weight at once. And trust me when I say there isn't any crane in the world that can handle such a payload. When LIEBHERR LR13000 is extended fully, it is taller than many of the world's tallest skyscrapers, while the primary boom is almost twice the size of a football field. This mighty construction machine was designed to handle massive payloads at construction sites. And no other crane produced after this one comes close in terms of capacity. Number 14, the CAT 797F haul truck. Trucks are required to haul equipment and materials to or from construction sites, but when engineers have so much to move, they have to rely on many trucks, right? Well, not necessarily when you have the second biggest truck in the world, the CAT 797F. Engineers needed something larger and heavier to enable them to move so much in less time, so this equipment was developed. The truck has a total payload capacity of 400 tons, so it can move more payload than what dozens of haul trucks can move combined. However, CAT 797F is so big it takes several smaller trucks to move its components to a work site. Furthermore, it has 6 mega tires, each of which weighs 5,300 kilograms. For a truck to have a tire this big, you can imagine just how much it can carry per trip. Number 13, BUCYRUS ERIE. Called the walking dragline, BUCYRUS ERIE is the biggest operational dragline in the world. It's as tall as 20-story buildings standing on top of each other with a combined weight of 6,000 tons. BUCYRUS has a massive bucket like a bathtub, but 456 times bigger than the bathtub you have in your home. With this dragline, engineers can scoop materials from the ground at depths of 65 meters. Number 12, the PONSSE ERGO Harvester. Coming up in 12th place in our list is this gigantic harvester called the PONSSE ERGO. This 8-wheeler is the largest open field harvester in the world with a massive hydraulics-powered clamps and rollers. If you thought it would take great effort for any human-made machine to pull down massive trees, then you've not seen the PONSSE ERGO in action. It's powered by a 286 horsepower engine and an 1150 Newton-meters torque. The crane can stand at a height of 36 feet long, making it one of the largest mobile land machines on Earth. The PONSSE ERGO is a logger's dream as it can grab, saw, and slice trees like knives cutting through butter. This mobile lumberjack is a special machine worthy of its spot on our list. Number 11, the BELAZ 75710. Another gigantic truck you probably have never heard of but is worth its place in the list is the BELAZ 75710. Manufactured in Belarus, the truck is worth $6 million and offers real value to builders looking to haul large equipment as quickly as possible. BELAZ is 8.16 meters tall and 20.6 meters long, with an extra breadth of 9.87 meters. The bulky iron frame is what makes it a payload master pet excellence. When empty, BELAZ weighs 360 tons, but it can carry up to 450 tons of payload. Powered by a twin diesel engine, it delivered a power output of 4,600 horsepower. Number 10, TOURNEAU EARTHMOVER. If you had to move so much earth at once, TOURNEAU is exactly what you want. This monster machine is so big it made it into the Guinness World Record for the biggest earth mover in the world. TOURNEAU can lift up to 80 tons of earth at once, which is equivalent to like 30 cars. To support the weight, engineers installed extra-large tires, each as tall as 13 feet and 5 feet wide. TOURNEAU also has a massive bucket that can hold the payload of 5 dump trucks. And guess what? It runs in a 65-liter, 16-cylinder, 2,300 horsepower engine. But you can't use this earth mover for the average project, as operating it alone will spike your overhead cost. But why so? It has a massive tank that can take 4,000 liters of diesel, which may not even be enough to complete a single day's work. So this earth mover is only brought up when it's time to move mountains of earth. Number 9. LIEBHERR Mining Excavator. Ninth on our list of extreme construction machines is LIEBHERR 9800 with a loading capacity of 92 tons. This excavator can excavate more earth than any other excavator in operation today. Besides its capacity, it is also the biggest in terms of size. This construction monster weighs a massive 810 tons with a big 47 cubic foot bucket. For it to function properly, the engineers use a 2,984 kilowatt engine capable of carrying the massive weight. Number 8. Komatsu P&HL Loader. Komatsu has a thing for massive equipment, and this loader is the second gigantic loading machine to make the top 15 list. Is deployed at mining sites to shovel the ground. As it does that, the bores about 80 tons of earth pet pass using a 7-meter lift height and a 16-cylinder turbocharged engine that can pump as much as 1,715 kW. Komatsu can extend up to 3.5 meters and is one of the most powerful earth-moving machines in the world that can reach depths many other machines are incapable of. Number 7. Hitachi ZOSEN Boring Machine. To successfully execute some large-scale construction projects like tunnels and bridges, constructors have to bore big holes through rocks and hills. This is what boring machines are for, and none comes close to the Hitachi ZOSEN. This tunnel builder was used to bore a massive tunnel under Seattle City. It's 99 meters long and cost $80 million to build. Hitachi is so big, it takes a cargo ship to transport it from one site to the other, as it cannot be transported whole. Number 6. Komatsu Super Dozer. The Komatsu Super Dozer D575A is another earth mover to make our list. This mover is 11 meters long and 7 meters wide, and 5 meters tall. Weighing 152,000 kilograms, the Super Dozer has a standard blade that can cut through hard earth like knives slicing through butter. When in operation, it can move up to 69 cubic meters of earth or materials per pass, which is roughly the materials 7 mixing trucks can carry. Number 5. Jackson 6700 Tamper. The Jackson 6700 Tamper is the latest among the series of rail tampering machines. Watching this machine work is indeed a sight to behold. It can do rail tamping, set up transit systems, and lay rail lines perfectly. Jackson Tamper weighs a humongous 75,000 pounds and is 43.6 feet. When deployed in railway construction fields, it can lay up to 2 miles of track tampers within 24 hours, provided materials are available. Its ability to handle massive projects makes it one of the most reliable rail tampers in the world. Number 4. Bagger 293. And here it is, the only excavator in the world that can outperform the Bagger 298. This massive wheel excavator is very large and cannot be operated by 1, but 5 operators at the same time. It has 18 excavation buckets that can move a combined 240,000 cubic meters of materials per day. Standing at an imposing 96 meters tall and 255 meters long, this excavator weighs 14,000 tons. Number 3. JD 9800. Third on our list is the legendary John Deere forage harvester. This agricultural machine is not your average harvester, but designed for mechanized farms. It has high machine performance, which allows it to harvest up to 300 tons of produce per hour. When set at a low performance rate, it can outperform conventional harvesters by more than 40%. John Deere 9800 has been massively deployed by mechanized farmers in maize and kernel fields. And as we speak, new uses are still being found for it. The JD 9800 uses gasoline in its fuel-efficient engine, and its low-speed design ensures that no seed is left unharvested. Number 2. The BERTHA Tunnel Boring Machine. This is the second boring machine to make the list and is bigger than Hitachi ZOSEN. It was specially designed to undertake the building of the Alaskan Way Viaduct and was named after Mayor Bertha Knight Landis, who was Seattle's first ever mayor. It is 300 feet long and weighs 7,000 tons. Bertha is designed for hard rocks and tunnels and has performed admirably well whenever it has been deployed. Number 1. The Overburden Conveyor F60 Bridge. The number 1 extreme industrial and construction machine on our list is also one of the world's biggest, and that is the Overburden Conveyor Bridge. It's a series of 5 bridges used to convey lignite from mining fields in Germany. It has a cutting height of 60 centimeters and remains the largest conveyor machine in the world. Overburden F60 is 80 meters tall, 240 meters wide, and 502 meters long. It also had the title for the world's largest land machine still active today and has been likened to a flat Eiffel Tower for its length. In all, the 5 bridges combined weigh 13.6 thousand tons and can transport more materials than any other machine can. There you have it, the top 15 most extreme industrial and construction machines in the world. What did you think of the heavy equipment that made our list? Were there any other machines that should have made it? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, be sure to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss more videos of interesting facts and discoveries on amazing future tech and innovations, new tech gadgets, the best products trending now, and so much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of amazing inventions and high-tech gadgets used by police in a high-speed chase, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time.